sky. Morning drifts on silver air, whispers move through golden hair. Leaves are falling, hearts align, peace is drawn in every line. Feel the rhythm of the trees flowing softly, wild and free. Every breath a calm embrace melts the shadows, leaves no trace. Breathe in light, let it guide you home through the wind, through the gentle tone. Let the world dissolve in white. Find your stillness, breathe in light. Steps are slow, the ground is kind. Echoes fade within the mind. Petals fall in quiet streams, floating softly